nandito kami ngayon guys sa Chipotle. Mamimili ka ng kanin guys. May kanin dito.
Tacos na ako. Sige. Ano naman?
May kanin doon. So, hindi naman.
So you like fried rice?
Okay. Yeah.
Kulang cheese.
What's
Tapos
that?
yun lang yung ano mo. Yan. Magdagdag ka dun.
So, tapos namin sa Chipotle. Doon na yung in and out. Oh. Mamaya dyan na kami kakain ulit nila Noble. So, makita ng daming tao ngayon, daming Noble. Kapila. Kaya si Mami. Yan si Mami. So, naligaw kami ngayon. So guys, nandito na kami sa first day ng Imperial Session ngayon. Check-in lang kami, tapos kala mo na kami din sa Reno. Harap lang sa akin. So kakagising lang namin, 9 PM na, medyo may padilim pa lang. Biggest little city in the world. So, masaya dito, many lights, many Shriner, many fast cars. Daming na bomba-bomba dito. So, madami. Masaya, dami lights. So, third day pa lang namin ngayon guys dito sa US, sa Nevada. So, attend na kami ng Imperial Session ni Noble Johan. So, kung makikita niyo, suot yung aking favorite fez. Tapos sila mami, gagala sila. Mamaya mamimili kami ng Shriner stuff.
Saan kayo ngayon?
Dito kami ngayon sa Shields. So I believe it's the largest shoe store here in Reno. Ilang sapatos? Pintuan pa lang.
Ha?
Pintuan pa lang guys, may Stanley Cup na.
Good morning.
So guys, ay, yan mo sasabi ko na Stanley Cup. So yan guys, bibili na siya ng Stanley.
Morning.
I think you should have the pink one.
Pink one?
Ito, maganda to. Wala na sa Pinas.
Wala.
Wala yan. So dito kami ngayon sa Reno Airport. Hinatid namin yung shuttle going back to our hotel. So wala pa, every 30 minutes daw siya dadating. So kita niyo yan guys, parang desierto, 'di ba? Pero sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig pa rin, no? So attend na kami ng session, kakain na lang kami ng lunch. And then yan guys, tignan niyo. Akala mo desierto, mainit, pero napakalamig. So, baka dito na ako mag-work. Baka dito na ako maghanap ng work ko. Ayun, kahit na sa araw ka malamig.
2024. Our headquarters hotel in downtown Reno has anything and everything you need, whether you're traveling alone or with extended family. The Row consists of a network including 3 hotels, 25 restaurants, 2 blocks away from your host hotel. The Reno Aces are affiliated with the Arizona Diamondbacks and the Pacific Northwest Classic, historic, one-of-a-kind.
Like I say, the LG and forward's about the only one that left the studs on. And theirs was up. Ano yun?
The only caveat is it's got to be in the U.S. So in case you guys.
Yes.
You're holding up the line.
Pepperoni? Go ahead. No pepperoni. Just plain. Picture na tayo.
Picture lang kami, tapos so guys, ito na kami ngayon sa convention center ng Shriners International. So, Dippin' Dots. Yeah. Hello. Wow.
Disable na lang
So
yan
tapos na yung parade namin. Kumakain kami ngayon nila mami. Haba ng pila. So burger joint. Pagod na rin. Ito talaga yung tunay na nag-enjoy. Nasakyan niya yung mga maliliit na sasakyan, mga malalaking sasakyan.
Kabayo lang hindi ko nasakyan.
How was your first Shriner parade? How was your experience? How would you rate it from 1 to 10?
It's fantastic.
Fantastic. It's really awesome. Okay. So next year ulit at Atlanta, Georgia. So, may flag pa siya, oh. Kala mo siya yung Shriner.
I really want to go find an old timer.
Ayos, ayos. So guys, thank you sa Reno, Nevada. We're leaving na. We're on the way to our Reno airport. We have our bus here. So, thank you. See you Las Vegas.
Pepsi, mali. Pepsi.
So, hanggat maaari makalibre kami. So, free shuttle kami going to the airport. So, anong oras namin? 6:30 flight namin,
30.
7:30 PM. So, kumakain kami dito sa McDo. Kaso, walang kanin, guys. So, french fries kami and burger. Yun lang. Bye-bye.